Umbrella, umbrella. We're looking at umbrella. There's a slide going up. Ayun, slide daw sa taas. We're in one of the resort in our place. But it's too hot for now, guys. Tultulay yan eh. Tultulay ah. Yahoo! We're at the resort. So hot for now.
I touched it.
This is a cottage. So we're here. Cottage. Kalesa chair. It's nice. Look. Alright. Whoa, sliding. I think Cedric.
That's Jerome.
Oh. Oh, kuya din. Nasim Hotel and Beach Resort. Das dagat na, guys. Dagat na yan dyan. Dagat na dyan. Kalesa. Kalesa chair. Penguin. Thank you so much for watching. There's another resort. You can sleep over here, guys. It's our place, just only 2 minutes by drive. Opo. You can sleep overnight. This slide over there. There's swimming pool and there's a resort. The bye-bye. Alright. And there's a hall, like you can big party over there. If you wish to come and visit my place, it's very nice place, guys. It's I don't know, tignan niyo, it's a sea. We're around the sea, guys. We're around the island. Opo. Daming resort dito, guys. A lot of resort now here. Opo. Oh, there. Daming tao, may tao doon, no, guys, papahangin, no, sa taas. I don't know how much the rent there up. 8 to 8, guys, here the schedule for the swimming. 8 to 8. 8 to 8. Hindi ko alam kung pwedeng yung mga nag-check-in ay pwede mag-barbecue here. Opo. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Here we go, Nasim Hotel and Beach Resort. Alright, thank you. Bye-bye. Nasim. Naligo na ako. I don't wanna take ligo again. Alright, bye-bye, water. It's Philippines. We're here in Philippines right now, guys. Thank you so much. Vacation 2023. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. There's my kids there, guys.